Hello friends, I'm going to show you one PowerPoint animation and I'm sure you will like it and you want to make one. This entire animation can be created in a matter of 5 minutes. I'll explain you how to do it. If I click once, the needle is moving forward and then accordingly the circles are popping up and it is moving forward. You can use this slide for your agenda slide or any information reveal slide, or even you can use this entire animation for your YouTube animations, and any other exciting intros can be created with PowerPoint. Now please watch it, how to create it. Let me add a new slide to create this animation. I'm just adding a new slide and making it as a empty slide. Then I need to create one needle first. For that, insert, select shapes, select a triangle, and then I'm selecting one circle. I need to merge them, selecting both of them, and shape format, merge shapes, union, change the color and remove the outline. Now I need to duplicate it, Control D, and then Alt right arrow key to rotate it towards down so that I can keep them like this. Now I want only one needle. Normally what happens when you deal with the PowerPoint shapes and you wanted to rotate them, the middle point, the center point, the controlling point, anchor point will be in the middle. Suppose if I wanted to rotate a single needle, it rotates like this, so it won't make any sense to me. I need to create a anchor point. For that I have created this shape again, and I'm just making it saying no fill. Now let me group both of them. Now you can see there is an anchor point created. The anchor point is the middle one. Now if I rotate it, it actually rotates like a needle. Now I need to keep this in towards down, just that's all. And let me, I think it's a little not right. I think, yeah, that would be good. Now let me bring this and keep it somewhere here. Now I need to create circles and I need to make the animation to stop the needle exactly at the position of the circle. If you create the circles and you want to animate the needle, it may not happen properly. First let us set where to stop, and whenever the needle stops there, let us add the circle. For that, let me select the needle and then just Alt and left arrow key. So what I did is Alt left arrow key 1 2. You can see now it is rotated 2 times, and then I'm adding one circle there. Just let me add a circle, and then I'm just placing on like this as if the needle is touching the circle. Now let me select the needle again and press 1 2, then duplicate the circle and place on it the way it is earlier. Yeah, again needle 1 2, and then duplicate. Sorry, I need to duplicate only the circle like this. Again needle 1 2, duplicate the circle, keep it here. Again needle 1 2, and then duplicate the circle, keep it. So finally we have 6 circles and there should be 6 animations. Now adding animation is quite easy now, because I need to add 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, and so on. So let me now bring this needle down. Now I need to create an animation for the needle, so I need to create 6 animations. So first animation will be again that will be animation, then add animation and spin. It's actually spinning clockwise and 360 degrees, and I need to control this. Let me open the animation pane and just double click on it. Make this first counterclockwise and change the degrees to 30. Enter. Now you see it actually stops exactly there. Same way I can simply add another 5 animations. So let me select the what do you call the needle and adding another animation. Never add the animation from this pane, second animation onwards. Don't use this pane, otherwise your first animation will be replaced. So I'm selecting the add animation option, selecting spin, just double clicking it, and it has to be counterclockwise and it has to be 30. Enter. And then again the same option, so select spin and then double click and counterclockwise and then 30. Again select it, animation, counterclock, 30, enter, same one, and then finally the last one. Sorry, I'm just coming back. A last one. So add animation, the last animation, again spin, and this is 30, and it should be counterclockwise, and say OK. Now what happens when I run this? If I just click it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It's exactly rotating. Now what I'll do is I'll select all of them. Now I need, once the needle stops at one point, then the circle should come out, and so on. So first needle and then circle, accordingly it should appear. So I'll select every circle and then I'm just making an animation, that is wheel. So everything is coming. So now let me select this. This is the first wheel and it is oval 8, and I'm just keeping this between group 7, whatever, in between the first two animations. The second one, this is to be between these two, this has to be between these two, this has to be between these, and this has to be between these. And then I'm selecting the second animation till last animation need to happen after the previous. That's all. If I select it, you can see now one click, it's going there and the circle is popping up, again going there and circle is popping up, and again going, and so on. It moves automatically because I created the animation after previous. But you can control with a click. If you wanted to reveal the items, you'll add some text. Again the text will be animated, first needle, then circle, then text, again needle, circle, text. That way you'll create, and this is done. As simple as that. Now I need to just give some nice formatting. I'll just select shape format and say go to shape format. Let me select this. I need to make sure that I have selected only the single one. So let me select it, and then maybe I'll go to shape effects and go to presets. Let me select any one which is nice. I think maybe this is good, and I'll change the color to blue. So now you can see the same effect in the earlier thing has come now. Now let me select all these guys, and then let me give a shape effect a preset. Maybe you can give any one. Let me give this, and then change the color. So this will be a blue, and this will be this color, whatever color you want to give, and then maybe amber, and maybe this is red. But I didn't like this preset, so let me select all of the guys, and then just going to the shape effects and preset. Maybe this preset is good, or maybe this, whatever you like, right? So you can just select them, and then I liked it. That's all. Now if I just open it, if I click once, the animation is done in a very nice manner, and you can use it for your YouTube intros, or you can use it for some agenda reveal, or any other some excitement you wanted to show in the PowerPoint. You can use it. Hope you like it. If you like this, please share with many, and you have any questions on this something is not really clear to you, please mention them in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe, because I'm uploading many videos nowadays, and as and when I upload a new video, you should get a notification. For that, you should subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you very much.